Sophie asks 20 of her friends to choose their favourite sport. Their replies are the following. Complete the tally in the frequency columns in the table below. So every time I cross one off in the list, I'm going to just put a little dash into the correct box in the tally. So rugby, I'm going to cross it off and put a dash. Football, rugby, hockey, cricket, football, football, rugby, hockey, football, rugby, cricket, hockey, football. You put a line through to mark 5. Football, football, rugby, football, football, rugby. So you can see there's 6 in rugby because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 there and then 6. There's 9 in football, 3 in hockey and 2 in cricket. Draw a pictogram. So you can see from the key that a circle represents 2 people. So 2, 4, 6 for rugby. 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I'd need a half to get up to 9 for football. 2, and then another half to get up to 3 for hockey, and then 2 for cricket.